In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a document in Quip. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite people, control what they can do, and share with a link safely and confidently. Start by heading to your Quip workspace, either in your web browser or the desktop app. Open the document you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you're part of more than one, and confirm you've opened the right file by checking the document title at the top. Next, look to the top right corner of the document and click the Share button. This opens the sharing dialog, which is your central place to manage access. Here, you can see who already has access, adjust permissions, and decide how you want to bring in more collaborators. If you want to invite specific people or groups, type their names or email addresses in the invite field. Quip will suggest matches from your organization directory. You can also add the document to a shared folder. That's handy when a whole team needs access, because anyone who can see that folder will automatically be able to access the document. Keep in mind that folder permissions cascade, so only place the document there if you're comfortable with everyone in that folder seeing it. Before sending the invites, choose the right level of access. Full access lets someone edit and share the document further, which is best for co-owners who manage collaboration. Edit only allows changes without the ability to reshare. Comment only is perfect for reviewers who need to leave feedback without altering content. View only keeps things read only for stakeholders who just need to see the information. You can change these at any time from the same dialog, so don't worry if you need to adjust later. If you prefer sharing via a link, generate a shareable link in the dialog. In the link settings, choose the access level for anyone with the link: view only, view and comment, or view and edit. If you need to share with people outside your organization, toggle on Allow Access Outside if your admin has enabled it. When sharing broadly, it's a good idea to keep links at view only unless you truly need collaboration. Finally, copy the link and send it through email, chat, or any channel your team uses. Recipients will get access according to the permission level you set. If someone can't open the document, check whether they're outside your organization or if their access level needs an update. You can return to the Share dialog anytime to adjust permissions, remove individuals, disable the link, or move the document out of a shared folder. That's it. Simple, secure, and flexible sharing in Quip.